Po, I can maudia po, nagsurat ni DBWH kadataya po, malagip yo DJ in raise ko nga water facility ti Barangay Lapas katapan ken kaawakan na po, nagsungbat da ito yun na po, kung ano ito, this refers to your letter May 4 regarding the status of water supply system project located in Barangay Kaawakan, Lapas, Barangay Kataban. Adda ka picture awan. Kit adda yung attach da nga picture kit sungaro chairman's time ko na kit hanya met nga attach kit handa nga makitan ibasa klata na po di Barangay Kadaban the water system structure is already operational, necessary testing and commissioning activities have been completed and designated personnel have undergone and required operational training. Di Barangay Kaawakan na po the water system structure is already functional and operational, training of designated personnel and for the operation and maintenance of the facility has likewise been scheduled to proper system management and sustainability. Tapos si Barangay Lapas po, the water system structure is already operational. Personnel have successfully completed the required operational training po. Iso no makikita yo po 2023 pa ilang kontrata dito yung tatapay lang nag-operate iso napindasmet po nga mabeneficiaran di masektan nga barangay ka dito yung water supply ti barangay po iso agyamayaman aktividad siya po nga mang toltolilat nga mang imimprove dito luglugar tayo po iso no ada pay makita yo tunggal barangay nga hang operational po please tell us no makita mi nga nalay nga mayatpet lang implementation na po. That will be all po for my chairman's time.